Western Regional National Security Liaison Officer Brigadier General Musah RTD retired. Odiato enuanuma wonwetu fam agudie galamsey e watoye mantamu e Ankobra sutene ni mu nyina se wonbo kokko wonsisi wanamo ye pa na we e kokkobo a wode e ma won se bronya bosumi wo ye wadwen se wode wani chirem wo abetu galamsey a wonso aye krado e twen wo Udietu a enamomra kwanso meche galamsey no sensem betimi atwa wo man Ghana mu hanti ebrano ne brano mpanifo bo homodin bia hwe ese galamsey no sensem no betimi to asekra e de froman enwanam so amene eye Western Regional National Security Liaison Officer eye Brigadier General Musah RTD wede kokobon nsame mu odin pa akọ e de ama wona wo mu etufo magudi a enamomra kwanso wo chese eye Ankobra river nipa bonefo bi nam so etufo magudi wo meno nam so menso no ese no wo chese obi wonsa ebeso Musah wutu efumagudie wonso no emori ade so behwe so do begina mra nanim ye pa wo chese wona waya wadwen se ye bronye di enim a ebe won ede wani ebechemu wonso no emu akotu efumagudie no sempanifo nsa so mu ayade so behwe se emra no ani wo bedie sanse ye hwe yenso ni yensase a galamsey no esese na no edin ye pam menchini ma wom eba no wom ebebre ye pa e wo man Ghana mu ha sei na Brigadier General Musah RTD etre ni nsem.
It is our consistent patrolling on the river that will change the surface of the river and then brings it back to normalcy. As we started today, we were able to seize the big canoe. Apparently, they carried it with champagnes, 4 champagnes, and they were installing it so that they can commence their duties. And we seized them. Unfortunately for us, all the suspects ran away. Then we seized the canoe, and then we seized the 4 champagnes, and then we destroyed about 10 makeshift structures. We are going to make sure that this Christmas, they don't use